Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can log out of Instagram across all devices that your account's logged in onto. So say for example you've lost your phone and your Instagram account is still logged in, but you want to change it so it's logged out. Here's how you can do that. So what you would do is you would log into your Instagram account on any other phone, and then you want to go to your profile, and then you click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, go to settings, and then you want to go to security and then click on password. Here you can change your password and it's going to log you out of your Instagram account across all devices that you're logged in. Now if you don't currently know your password, you can't change it within this method here, but if you have got it linked to Facebook, you can reset it using Facebook. Failing that, you can go and follow the tutorials which will link in the description below, which shows you how you can reset your Instagram password without currently knowing the actual password which is on the account. So there is ways to do it, you just have to reset your password basically. So I'll link some tutorials in the description below that can help you with that if you don't currently know your password. But yeah, that's how you can do it, just change your password and it's going to log you out of your account. Cheers guys for watching, make sure you leave a like if it helped you out, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.